Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency President Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of the Federal Republic of Ethiopia, Excellencies, heads of states and governments and delegations, it's a great honor for me to be here and share the Somalis' views and positions in this important summit of African climate. Somalia has been a victim for the climate change for a long time and has been very busy for building institutions that cover most of its resilience, and importance of the climate excellence. On behalf of the Federal Republic of Somalia, I extend our deep gratitude to the government and the people of Ethiopia and to the African Union Commission for hosting the second Africa Climate Summit in this great city, Addis Ababa. We gather under a vital, timely theme, accelerating global climate solutions, financing for Africa's resilience and green development. Somalia stands in full alignment with this vision, prioritizing Africa-led solutions and mobilization of accessible and affordable climate finance at scale. Somalia's contribution to the global greenhouse gases emission is insignificant. However, we are among the world's most climate vulnerable nations, suffering from recurrent climate shocks that are painful to endure. Climate crisis is taking a heavy toll on Somali people. Between 2021 and 2023, our country endured the most severe drought in 4 decades, affecting 7.8 million people, nearly half of the population. This resulted in a widespread food insecurity, loss of livelihoods, and millions of internally displaced people, further compounding our already challenging socio-economic and security landscape. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, priorities anchored in the African agenda, the Nairobi Declaration of 2023 during the first African Climate Summit set a continental course to expand Africa's renewable generation to 300 gigawatts by 2030. This requires around $600 billion and reforms of the global financial architecture so that no longer nations must choose between development and climate action. It's also called for operationalization of the loss and damage fund and elevating Africa's role in integrity-based carbon markets. Somalia stands firmly behind this agenda. Guided by that vision and our national determined contribution, Somalia's climate priorities are clear. Number one, protect lives and livelihoods through adaptation at the scale. Our NDC 3.0 estimated $6.3 billion is needed for adaptation in 2025-2035.